Hi again. We're here with the third part of excerpts from the OIA iManage seminar series for 2019. This time we're looking at the iManage Work mobility app for iOS. A little bit of an intro and a demo. So let's take a look. So there's a work desktop for Windows. As I've shown you, that's an integration with Outlook and Microsoft Word. There's also now a work desktop for Mac, which integrates with both Office for Mac, and also integrates with the Mac product, which is the pages and sheets and slides. And also, if you're using something like Gmail online, we've now got an integration and extension for Gmail, which allows you to file Gmail into iManage Work and attach iManage Work documents into Gmails as well. They're available. Plus, of course, we have an application for iOS. So I'm going to show you the latest application for iOS. I'm just going to flick over to... First thing I want to show you is, this is Chrome. So the iManage Work 10 web interface that I showed you earlier works on any mobile device as well. So you can see I've got my same recent documents list, recent emails and matters. It's a responsive interface, so the filters or the menus are going to drop in and out depending on what direction or what size device I'm on. And all of the searching, previewing, etc. is going to work on your mobile device like that. And I find for most cases using the Work 10 web interface on your mobile device is enough. But there's going to be times when your users want to do more. They're going to want to edit documents, or they're going to want to work offline as well. So that's where this app for iOS works. Fully integrates with SAML, ADFS, and of course either Face ID or thumbprint. You can see it looks exactly the same as the web interface. I've got my recent documents list there. I've got things like my recent matters, which I can start drilling through. You'll see there's that Microsoft ABC. You probably can't see it, but there's a little green tick on some of those folders, which means they've actually been downloaded to my device. I can very easily here pick a number of folders and say, hey, I want those downloaded to my device. And I can just download specific folders or an entire workspace, so I can work on it offline. Go back to my recent docs. You can see I can more quickly preview documents on the app. If I wanted to, I could also check the document out and edit it if I've got Word or something like that installed on my desktop, on my iPad, and then you can then save it back into iManage and check it back in. You can also do something similar from Word itself. So if I'm in Word for iPad, I can jump into the Open from Locations, and iManage Work is now available. Uses the same login. I can browse through my recent matters, find a document that I want to work on, check it out, and open it from there as well. And then any changes will be synchronized back up to the server when I check it back in. Email on your mobile device has been a bit of a challenge. So filing emails while you're mobile. What we can do with iPads at the moment is, this is the Mail app for Apple. If I grab my my iManage application, do side by side, multi-apps, you can see here I can do things. I can browse through to my workspace and my email folder. From here I can do things like multi-select emails from my inbox and grab them and drag them into iManage. And I can also say create a new email message. If I reply to Matt again here, I can grab, say, things from my agreements folder, and I can drag them and add them as attachments. So it's not seamless integration, but it's certainly a step ahead of where we were previously with filing emails and attaching from iManage as well.
You were saying it's only on the iPad?
Yeah, so it's only an iOS app, and that's probably going to be the case for the foreseeable future.
Yeah, but you can do it on your phone, or just iPad?
The app works on the phone. This side-by-side application opening is only available on iPad, and that's an Apple thing. I don't know, does the iPad Plus or Max, whatever it's called now, maybe you can do some of this stuff.
Yeah.
Don't know if you guys, no, I'll
You
try it
can
out.
file emails from the phone app straight into iManage.
Only if you can do side by side like this, which I think you can do it on the big phones, but not the small phones. It's just not a feature available from Apple.
Yeah, one thing, a bit of a workaround for that is if you've got linked folders inside of your email inbox, you can drag and drop into there and
That's true. Okay. Oh, that worked. Something I forgot to demonstrate during that last session was the ability to mark up PDF files. So I'll have a go at it now. So you can see here I've got my recent documents list, and I'm just going to open this PDF. I'm in the preview. You can see I've got various different pages, and if I just hit this markup button down the bottom here, I can start doing things like highlighting various pieces of text. I can also add text comments, so I can say please update, and then once I've finished I hit done, and you can see I'm capable of saving that marked up PDF as a new document or a new version and checking it back into the iManage system. So great new feature, professionals etc. being able to mark up documents from their mobile device on the go. Great times. Appreciate you joining us for this excerpt of the series. Look forward to sharing some new products and new features with you on another video. Thanks guys, see you later.